What's up guys, in this video I will show you how to connect your Astro A10 gaming headsets to your PS5. And to do this, first things first, you want to go ahead and get the headphone to headphone jack cable that actually comes with your Astro A10 gaming headset. And at this point, what you want to do is to go ahead and take the headphone jack cable that is closest to the volume button, which is this one over here. This is actually the volume button, and then you just want to go ahead and connect this headphone jack to the headphone jack port on your Astro A10 gaming headset. You can literally see the headphone jack port over here, so I'll just go ahead and connect it. If you want to make sure that you do not have the issue where only one part of the headphone is working, you want to make sure that you firmly connect this to the headphone itself. So make sure you properly connect it, and then the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and connect the other end of the headphone jack to headphone jack cable to your PlayStation 5 controller. So basically you want to go ahead and connect it to the headphone jack port at the bottom of your PlayStation 5 controller over here. You also want to make sure you firmly plug it to this particular port so that you do not have the problem where only one speaker from the headset is actually working. Now at this point, what you want to do is to come over to your PlayStation. Now on your PS5, you just want to head over to the settings at the top right corner of your PlayStation home screen, and then you just want to scroll down until you get to the sound settings over here. Select that. Now under the microphone option, you want to select that, and under input device you want to make sure you select microphone on controller. So basically it uses the mic that comes from the Logitech Astro A10 gaming headset and then to your PlayStation controller over here. So you want to make sure this is selected, and then come back, then come over to the audio output settings over here, and then you want to make sure that under output device you select headphones connected to controller. So make sure this is selected, and then lastly you can scroll down here and select the volume, and then just increase the volume on the headphones. That is if you do not want to use the volume control that comes with the headphone jack of your Logitech Astro A10 gaming headset. You can go ahead and select this, and then just either increase the volume or reduce it directly from here. Another thing you can actually do is under the audio output settings over here, you can go ahead and select the audio that comes from your Logitech Astro A10 gaming headphones. So you can go ahead and select only voice chats, or you can just select all, so that both music and even voice chat comes from your Logitech Astro A10 gaming headsets. And this is basically all you have to do to connect your Logitech Astro A10 gaming headsets to your PS5. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.